Alright, this is part 3. We're just going to do a quick little walk around here, highlighting everything. We've got our Vmac 70 CPM compressor, beautifully installed by the guys at Milron. Your controller here, Glycol Heater control right here, auxiliary switches. We've got our wireless crane remote, and if the battery fails, it can be wired as well. Vinyl flooring. We've got the beautiful aluminum super wide side steps with extra traction. Diesel exhaust fluid tank here. We've got some slide out drawers, hydraulics, more drawers here. Their glycol heater. More storage. We have bolt storage as well. Times 3, we've got a stainless steel workbench down here. Super springs installed, ready to go for that heavy duty crane. Stainless steel fender flares. We've got 35 feet, of air hose, and your deep cell battery to power that crane. Heavy duty dolly legs and rear step, all powder coated. We've got a stainless steel workbench. This is going to get scratched up. It's inevitable, but you don't have to worry about it rusting up. We've got a massive doghouse as well, with a 3-piece retractable roof, and the creme de la creme Cobra 5500 Maxi lift crane. Got another dolly leg here as well. More drawers, more storage. We've got some hose and cable storage here as well, and your adjustable gas bottle storage right here. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like any more information on this beautiful truck, have any questions, or you want to come check it out in person, please feel free to give me a call anytime. It's Stu up at Legacy Dodge, and you can reach me at 780-713-1479. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.